Today we are going to look at place value system. What did I say? Place value system. Good. What is place value? Place value is the value of a digit according to its position in the number. Place value is the value of a digit according to its position in the number. If, for instance, you have a number like 4223, you can see that 2 appears twice there. The two, they mean the same number, but their value do what? Differs, because each of the digits in a number has a unique place or a unique position. Are you following? So this place value chart will help us to understand the place, how to put place value in a number. And it will also help us when writing large numbers in words. If you're able to understand this place value chart, you can write any large number very what? Easy. Now, let's look at the chart. The charts are grouped into threes, because when you want to write large numbers in words, you have to group them into group of what? Threes, starting from right. So look at the groups I have here. So the first one is ones. Under this ones, I have one, tens, hundreds. This one, you can also call it what? Unit. We normally use unit. So one, tens, hundreds. Then under this column of thousand, I have thousand, which is the same as 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. After thousand, you move to where? Millions. This is millions, which is same as 1 million. This is 10 million, 100 million. After million, you go over to billions. This is billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. After billion is what? Trillion. This is trillion, 10 trillion, and 100 trillion. So let's look at this number below it to show an example. If, for instance, you are asked to find the place value of 7 in this place, look at it. Look at where we have 7 here. And 7 is under the column of what? 1,000. And 1,000 is what? 1 with 3 zeros. So 7 times this 1,000 will give us what? 7,000. So the place value of this 7 means what? 7,000. And what is the place value of 8 here? Under the 8 we have 100,000. So 8 times 100,000 will give us what? 800,000. Now you can see that 4 appears thrice here, 3 times. We have 4 here, we have 4 here, we have 4 here. All these 4s, they are the same number, but their values differs because of its what? Position. The first 4 I have here is under tens, and this is 4 tens. 4 tens means what? 4 times 10, which is what? 40. Then this 4 here is under what? 10 million. And 4 times 10 million will give us what? 40 million. Then we have another 4 here, which is under billion. This is 1 billion. So 4 times 1 billion will give us 4 billion. I hope it's clear. You can see that their values differ, though they are the same digits, 444, but they have different what? Values. Is that place value that differentiates each of the position. Are you getting me? So we are going to see examples under this place value. Let's now see example under place value. Now this place value, you can see it from basic classes up to junior secondary. So question number 1 says, what is the place value of the digit 7 in this number? So when you look at this number, you can see that 7 appears there. So they're now asking you the position of that 7 in the number. So let me bring out the number first. The number says 37295. Remember that I said you have to group it into group of what? Trays, starting from the right. So we now write under this place I have 1, tens, 100. Then after 100 I have 1,000, 10,000, and so on. If there's another number here, I'll call it what? 100,000. Are you getting me? So when you look at this 7 now, the 7 is under what? 1,000. So I'll call it 7,000. Or I can write it in this form, 7000, because 1,000 is what? 1 with 3 zeros. So 7 times 1,000 will give me what? 7,000. I hope it's clear. Now looking at the example 2, it says, what is the place value of 9 in the number, in this number? So let me bring out the number. I have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. The number is grouped already. So I will now put the place value. This is 1, this is tens, this is what? 100. After this one, the next one is what? Column of what? 1,000. And this is 1,000, this is 10,000, and this is 100,000. After 1,000 will be what? Million. And this is what? Million. That is 1 million under units. If we have another number here, you call it what? 10 million. Another number, 100 million, and so on. So we are now asked to find the position of this 9. You can see that 9 is under what? Million. So I'll call it what? 9 million. Or I will say 9, I'll now write it in figure. I believe it's clear. 9 times 1 million, this is million, which is 1 with what? 6 zeros. Are you getting me? So 1 times 1 million will give us what? 9 million. I hope it's clear. So let's see another example. The question says, what is the difference between the place value of the 2 4s in the number? Look at the number. And in this number, you can see the 2 4s there. So the question says, what is the difference between those, their values? So first of all, we are going to get the place value of these 2 4s and do what? Subtract them, because difference means what? Subtract. So I'll group this number in group of 3, starting from right. So this is 7, 4, 5, 4. Then after grouping it, I will now put the place value. This is 1, tens, 100. After this, another column here is what? 1,000. I'll stop. Then what is the position of this 4? This 4 is under tens, which is 4 tens. And 4 tens is the same thing as 4 times 10, which is what? 40. I hope it's clear. Now another 4 again here. This 4 is under what? 1,000. So I have here 4,000, which is the same thing as 4 times 1,000 is 1 with 3 zeros. So I have 1000. And 4 times this will give me what? 4,000. So I've gotten the value of the 4s. So the question now says, what is their difference? So I have 4,000 minus 40. This is 0. I'll come here and borrow 1, put it here to this place. 10 minus 4 is what? 6. Here is remaining 9. Here is 3. So the difference between the place value of the 2 4s in this number is equal to 3,960.